Found an MKI image file from vintage Japanese computer software. This is a graphics file from MAKIchan, a popular Japanese graphics format. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to view and convert these MAKIchan graphics files. The simplest approach is coming. We will talk about a powerful third-party MKI file inspection utility that extends its support to hundreds of different file types. MKI files are graphics files created by MAKIchan, a graphics application popular on Japanese personal computers, like the NEC PC-9801 in the 1980s and 1990s. They store bitmap images with the limited color palettes characteristic of those vintage Japanese computing platforms, preserving early Japanese digital art and game graphics. MKI files use MAKIchan's proprietary compressed format, storing 16-color bitmap images with Japanese platform-specific encoding. The format includes header information, image dimensions, palette data, and run-length encoded pixel data, optimized for the limited memory and display capabilities of vintage NEC PC-9801 systems. The anticipated software for loading MKI is XNView MP, created by XNsoft. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows supports everyday image formats, yet advanced tasks rely on specialized tools. We need to identify a functional opener. Right-click the MKI file and choose Open With. Prioritize XNView MP if it shows up. If it is not there, choose any other application. The right one is out there. Before we jump to the universal fix, let's understand why the file is failing. Here are the most common technical reasons you're seeing this error. First, opening in MAKIchan viewers. Install a MAKIchan-compatible viewer like Suzy with MKI plugin or specialized retro-Japanese computing image tools. These viewers decode the MAKIchan format, displaying images correctly with proper color palette interpretation. Many viewers are available through Japanese retro computing community sites. Next, converting to PNG. Use Suzy or specialized conversion tools to export MKI files to PNG or BMP format for use in modern image viewers. Conversion preserves the original 16-color appearance while making the images accessible across all current platforms, ensuring long-term preservation of vintage Japanese digital graphics. Finally, using XNView MP. XNView MP supports many vintage image formats, including some MAKIchan variants, through its codec library. Install XNView MP and try opening the MKI file directly. If supported, the application provides batch conversion capabilities for processing multiple MKI files into standard formats efficiently. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagic. Get the download link at filemagic.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.